G'day YouTube. Something different for us to pull apart tonight. First one of these I've ever picked up as a second hand. Still signs of life. It's a Dewalt DCB 182XE. The XE is an old thing. They've carried that on for a long time. It's seen a bit of use obviously. It's a 4.0 amp hour, 72 watt hour pack. It should be packed with 10 18650s, just like our other main brands. As you can see, it lights up. Let's get him open and have a look inside. Taking the 4 screws undone. Needs a bit of a flat blade kickstart. There we go. Right, it's interesting. Shielding or something there. Oh, wow. Some very shitty looking contacts. Very small cables. Balancing wires of description. Yeah. 3-bar gauge up the front here we'll keep for something else. It's just got 2 wires fed from that center block, but let's get it out of this next part of its shell. See what we're working with. No, not like that. Upwards and outwards, do you want to come out? You know what they say, YouTube, persistence or whatever. Fine line between persistent and stupid. We've got it. Okay, first thing I notice when I look at this battery case, there's no ventilation or holes in that at all. It's a sealed container. So, this is a Milwaukee 4.0. See the holes around the perimeter? They allow the water to run back out, not sit inside the battery, unlike this. So as you can see, our 18650's got water damage. Let's just give this a test with the multimeter to see what's got voltage wise. And we've got 16.4 across the full, so not all hope's lost. 4.13, 4.12, 4.10, 3.8. This one on the end is going to be stuffed. And millivolts. It's kind of done a Makita battery pack style thing. This end cell's cooked, it's taken this one down a bit with it. These are down 3.8, all the rest fully charged. That's why it's failed on its charger. That's what's inside one. Let's see if we can get one of those 18650s out and see if we can read a model number, etc. off of it. Where are my snips? Well, they are spot welded very well. Okay, we should have a free one. We've got SDM. Can't even read it, the rust has impregnated the cell case. We've definitely got SDM something, though. It's a shame. I'll see if I can find a model number of what should be in there and I'll come back. Alright, so they're a Sanyo SDM 4RXS. I'll jump on the net and have a look at that in a minute and just see if we can get some specs up. Because of how rusty and shit looking these cells are, I'm probably not going to use them for anything, but it was cool to open that up and have a look inside. When you compare it with a Milwaukee though, there's next to nothing circuitry wise on the board. Not sure if that's a pro or a con. The boards do fail in the Milwaukee ones, but quality wise, like that's all stuck together with a silicone glue. And they're pretty shit and rough. Anyhow, thanks for watching guys. I thought I'd just pull this apart and show you what was inside. It's Dewalt 4 amp hour XR lithium ion battery cell. I'll just jump on the computer and give you a look at the spec sheet for this now. Well, I thought they were saying, you know, 50s SDM 4RX. Yes, can't find anything on Google for them, so I give up looking. They might be just shit cells on the inside, so yeah. Probably don't recommend buying them. They probably had water get stuck in them if there's been anyone who's worked outside. Probably steer clear of them if you're chasing cells to salvage. Thanks for watching guys. This is a bit of a shame that I can't find a proper good model number for the battery, but anyhow, I'll catch you on the next one.